wants to.
She wants to cover food. She doesn't want to cover food.
Does she?
Does she want to cover food? Doesn't she want to cover food?
अब आ जाओ wanted to फर्स्ट वर्ड. हिंदी है कोई काम करना चाहता था. I wanted to buy that tablet. ले जाओ फोन.
I wanted to tablet. I
buy that tablet. कुछ और लगा लो.
Okay, I wanted to. I wanted to. I wanted to dye my eyes.
Okay. Apply dye over my eyes.
Pero me siento así, ¿no? Okay. I wanted to buy.
Yes, every day same time.
I wanted to buy that medicine. I didn't wanted to
want to buy
that medicine.
Did
I want to? Did I want to buy that medicine? Didn't I want to buy that
medicine? ऐसे एंड में ऐसे नहीं करना. ओके आगे.
We wanted to a pool. Swimming pool.
हाँ
उसको pool भी कहते हैं ना.
ओके हाँ वर्ब कौन सी है मतलब वो देखना. we
wanted to a pool.
वर्ब नहीं आई ना.
We didn't.
वर्ब नहीं आई. we wanted to वर्ब कहाँ है. pool तो ऑब्जेक्ट है.
We wanted to a pool.
ए लगा रहे हो पूल लगा रहे हो वो तो वर्ब है ना. इस साइड की कौन सी वर्ब लगा रहे हो. wanted तो वर्ब होगी ना. उसके बाद जो आपका पुल बोल रहे हो वो तो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है. बीच में वर्ब कहाँ है फिर. टू के बाद वर्ब भी तो आएगी.
swim in pool.
हाँ अब ठीक है.
I wanted to swim in pool. I didn't wanted to swim in pool. Did I want to?
अभी ईडी कट जाएगा.
Did I want to swim in pool? Didn't I want to swim in pool?
swim in pool.
Swim in pool. He wanted to. Feed cow. He didn't want to feed cow. Did he want to feed cow? Didn't he want to cow? She wanted to.
सेंटेंस पूरा बना दिया करो ना पहले. she wanted to ask that question.
She wanted to hate him.
Okay.
She didn't want to hate him. Did he want to hate him? Didn't he want to hate him?
she पे चल रही थी लाइन.
नहीं
शुरुआत. चलो ठीक है चलो आगे.
पहले भी बोला था.
ओके.
She अब आएगा she. She wanted to finish work.
Okay.
He didn't want.
अब ही बोल रहे हो ना.
She.
सेंटेंस कंप्लीट किया करो. आप फुल मत किया करो.
She didn't want to complete work. Did she complete to want to work? Didn't she complete want to work?
Didn't she want to complete work? आप ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट को अदल बदल कर देते हैं. ये हो जाता है. आगे दे.
नहीं बस
सफिशिएंट.
नहीं मैं ये बिल बॉन कर लेते मैं इसकी ये छोड़ देता.
ओके चलो आगे.
4 सेकंड.
हाँ ये तो कंप्लीट करो. 8 मिनट.
बिल वांट टू. फ्यूचर का
हम्म,
कोई काम करूँगा.
करना चाहूँगा. आई विल वॉन्ट टू डांस विद यू.
I will want to dance with you. I didn't want to dance with you. Will I want to dance with you? Will I want to dance with you? We will want to a car. We didn't want to a
वर्ब नहीं आई. कार को करना क्या है? खरीदना, बेचना, चलाना.
we
करना क्या है कार को?
पता नहीं.
वर्ब नहीं लिखी ना.
चलो
बोली
कुछ
नहीं.
बताओ इसमें से. Hold. We will want to hold calendar. We didn't want to
ऐसे नहीं सेंटेंस पहले पूरा बनाओ. हाँ, बीच में आधे शब्द ऐसे गोल गोल कर देते हो.
Okay, I'm a simple sentence. We will want to buy a car. We didn't want to buy a car. Will we want to buy a car? Will we want to buy a car? इधर फिर बना देते लास्ट में.
चलो आगे.
He
विल वॉन्ट टू. यहाँ तक तो बोल दिया करो ना. ही विल वॉन्ट टू.
will
उसके
want
वर्ब सोचा
to
तुम.
win in match. He will
विन दी मैच.
win the match. He didn't want to win the match. Will he want to win the match? Will he want to win the match? She last. She will want to discover mountain.
ओके.
She didn't want to discover mountain. Will he want to discover mountain? Will he want to discover mountain?
शी पे चल रहा.
Okay.
बोलते वक्त ना हो ना, इसलिए हम इतनी सारी फेक लाइनें बनाते हैं. बट while doing these things, if you are making these type mistakes,
नोटिस स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ेगा आप ऐसे.
no, we can replace it and we can give it for photostat. That time we require them to take them out. That's why I have kept them in that way. So anybody can carry for zeros. That's why. So that's sufficient for speaking.
ये आपने कहाँ से ढूंढी है?
I don't know. Maybe from direct downloaded from computer. Then these are printed pages.